Hello, today I'm going to be playing Airplane 4 Story. Whoops. Okay, so we're in the game right now. So, this is Airplane 4, so right now we are going to go to Gate A. I call it luggage, but they call it baggage in the game, so. Okay. So we gotta wait. There's 3 seconds remaining. 3, 2, 1, go. Airplane 4. One last flight. Okay, we're getting into the game now. Okay, wakey wakey, eggs and bacon. What? Don't tell me you forgot. Today is the big day. Let me remind you, we are flying to the Bahamas. Whoops, I already said that. Get down here. Objective, find Dad. Okay, we found Dad. It's right here. This is our baggage, aka luggage. Alright. I can't believe you forgot. We don't even have time. That's it. Whoever doesn't have their baggage ready before breakfast is not going to the trip. That means we gotta hurry. I will start making the burgers in the backyard. Hurry up. Okay. I really want to go to the trip. What are we going to do? I don't even remember where my clothes are. Okay, here's what we're going to do. We have 45 seconds to explore the house and see where everything is. Then we start packing. Well, if I look, I kind of don't really remember. So I'm going to have to double check. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna look in this bedroom. Okay, we got a cookie shirt, Airplane 4, lightning bolt shirt, and an earth shirt, a bunch of shoes, some pants. Okay, we're going down the stairs. I wonder what they have in the kitchen. How come he's not making them in the kitchen? Oh, he's grilling them. He's grilling burgers, that's why. Also, who eats burgers for breakfast? Apparently we are, because our dad is feeding us burgers for breakfast. So it wants us to find a duck shirt. Okay, that looks like a duck shirt, but it's a cookie shirt. It's a brighter yellow. It has a duck on it. That one has a cookie, and it's darker. A darker yellow. And we got our shirt. We're going to go downstairs. Go, 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 go downstairs. Go, 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 go downstairs. Okay, we're downstairs. Okay, we put it in our luggage. Or you could say our suitcase. Okay. Let's see, what are we getting next? Okay, we gotta find this item. Is that in the blue one or is that in the pink one? I'm gonna check the blue first. That looks a lot like the shoes that I'm supposed to get, but they're not the shoes. So we got to find the other shoes. Alright, look. Okay, we found the shoes. We found them. We're putting them up. We're dragging them downstairs. Put it into our suitcase. It's in our suitcase. We got 18 seconds. left on the clock till we get our next item. Oh, they have a painting on the wall that says Cool Store. Maybe we could play that next time. Sounds cool. We're gonna find this item. It's a light blue t-shirt with an airplane on it. Nah, it's not in that room. But there is an airplane shirt in there. Not a regular airplane. Okay, we found it. Pick it up. Okay. It says baggage item. Put it into our suitcase. Also, I played this with one of my friends, so make sure to check out her channel. Her YouTube channel's name is Ghost Queen 22. So if you want to check that out. Okay. Burgers are almost ready. Maybe we should start heading outside. I think we should, you know. Like, get a head start, go out there. So, let's go to the backyard. Why don't we just take a nice dive in the pool? Let's see what's down here. Ooh, wow. Apparently this gives you a badge if you find this. This is so cool. There's a bunch of little fishies dancing. I forgot the name of that dance. I like how there's a bunch of bubbles and like little lights down here. I like how they added that. There we go. I'm gonna sit down. Down. Are the burgers almost ready? I am starving. Who wants a burger? Me. Whoops, I didn't mean to click that. I do. I'm so hungry. Alright. Whoever wants one, take a seat on the picnic table. That's already where I'm sitting, because I know everything. Maybe not everything, but most of the things. I want a burger. Hopefully I don't get the nasty burger. That's like greenish moldy. I just want a normal burger. And there's only one burger like that. So hopefully you like it. 1 for I don't know. And that's all of them. Enjoy. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum yum. Hello everyone. We are back on Bloxy Estates News. Keep falling in here. Oh, it's the radio. Earlier this month, the president's congratulations to the brave heroes that saved the life aboard the presidential plane. Whoa, can you imagine saving a plane? However, the president said in conference, as we are landed, the suspect somehow disappeared. The police warns everyone in the Robloxia to be careful and report anything that could be useful for the case. How could somebody possibly escape from something like that? Oh my, look at the time. I can't look at the time, there's no clock out here. We are running late to our flight. There is no way we make it in time. Unless, follow me. Okay, this better be a good idea. Something. Okay, we're just gonna follow that. Also, Dad, why are you so slow? I'm about to, like, get in front of you. I'm literally in front of you. Whoa, I didn't know Dad could see through walls. This is cool. Okay, we're going outside. I keep having to go back to, like, actually catch the speed of our dad. Go, 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 go. The garage? It is a garage, but wait for it. It has something amazing inside. Aren't we supposed to get on an airplane by going to the airport? What are these? Your very, very own small planes. Are we using little planes to catch onto, to get to the airport? Just get on a plane? That doesn't really make sense, but sure. We get to fly to the airport to catch another plane. That's funny. It's also a lot more fun than walking. Well, you can say that, but if you get crashed, if you crash into something, then it's not as fun. Yeah, we can't lose any more time. Find your plane and grab a seat. Okay, this is my plane. I know for sure because it says my plane, and then little arrow, and then it's in green, so I know for sure it's my car. I mean, not my car, my plane. I don't know what I'm saying. Now we can't lose anymore, so we gotta go. I'll see you guys in the other side. You mean at the other side? Wait, we don't even know how to drive these. We will have to find out. Just be careful with the obstacles. Obstacles? Yeah, that's right. There's obstacles? I didn't know that. Oh, yep, there's obstacles. I know. Go up. Okay, there we go. To the side. Maybe a little bit more this side. A little bit more. Okay, there it goes. Maybe a little bit up, but yeah, that's good. Okay, we might want to go down and then go back up over it. Then quickly go to the side. Hurry, go to the side. Oh, come on. Get to the side. Okay, now we're getting hurt. Down. Okay, I thought it would die there. To the side, to the side. Down now. Okay, there it goes. To the side. Go up. Okay, to the side. Oh, come on. Side down. Okay, or just down. Okay. Oh, I'm surprised. This has a little airport sign, even though we're in like a cave, basically. All right. Okay, are we going to be walking soon? I thought you said we don't have any more time to waste. Don't we have to hurry instead of stay here forever? Okay, Dad, are we doing it? Are we doing it or not? Dad, I'm being serious. When do we go? Hopefully soon. We should be going soon. Are we going? This is actually taking a while. Hurry up. I said we had no time to waste. Well, I guess we're gonna be wasting a long time. For some reason, those 4 buttons are still on my screen, and I don't know why. Like, why? Yeah, I don't know. What's happening? Okay. I almost thought we could get in this. I wonder if I zoom in or how to have a little thing. Oh yeah, it does. That's cool. Oh, I have my baggage. Where'd my baggage go? Where'd my baggage go? Where'd it go? Hopefully it's at the airport. That's not a good sign. Hopefully it'll teleport to me. Like Thor's hammer. Boom. Hopefully it does that. Like a boomerang when you throw it so far and it comes back to you. Like that. And then a little snap. But it's not happening in the snap, so I gotta wait. Hopefully nobody saw it. So this is technically illegal. The airport is just around the corner. Let's keep moving. Let's walk our little legs over there. Oh, the airport's just over there. That's funny because maybe our house was really close to it. Because I don't think that those obstacles were that long. Oh, watch out, there's a car. We better hurry if we're gonna pass through. Let's cross the street. Oh no, that's sad. I'm still alive somehow. I got hit by a car. Where's my baggage? Where's my baggage? Okay, get my baggage. Baggage. Come on. You gotta have to give it to me with a snap of the finger. Hopefully it will be in my inventory. I haven't snapped yet. 3, 2, and 1, and 0. Oh, I got a baggage. Yay. Now I like this snapping. Okay, I'm gonna stop snapping. That keeps long. Objective, get your ticket and go through the boarding gate. They have like little spaces in between, and I keep thinking they're different words that are just close. But I've already been through, so blah. Okay, 1 second left. Now we're going. Yay! No more walking. No more waiting. Let's go. I like that glass door opens like just how I wanted it. We go to security room because we can't go through here for some reason. Hurry up, I want to go through. Hello. You must be the last passengers flying to Rohamas. How did she know? Don't worry, you were just in time. You didn't answer my question. All you need to do now is go through the metal gate. Okay? You're not answering my question though. No, what? Come on, answer. How do you know we're going to the Rohamas? Oh wait, I just pushed. I gave her my ticket. Oh man, I'm dumb. Well, at least I know now. I'm just not thinking. Let's go. We got a ticket in our hands. Yeah. Something is not right. Please wait a minute. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I can't count. Well, let's just say it's been 60 seconds. It's been a minute. Now, can we go? Why is there security? Can we go? Oh no, it's police. Oh wait, it says security, even though those look like policemen. But okay. You are gonna, I wasn't able to read it. Where are we? I've never seen this room before. What's going on? All of you were caught flying over a restricted area. We were in big trouble. Wait, what? Okay, wait here until we get all the paperwork ready. Okay, sure. Sorry. I knew it was a bad idea. Look at my health. It's super hot. Super down. Of course it was a bad idea. Now we're totally losing the flight. There it goes. It's starting to take off. Oh, I want to see. Oh yeah, it's slowly moving. Oh no, that's so sad. What is that red thing in the airstrip? I've never seen that before, but okay. Last one. My plan is finally complete. What's happening? Are you enjoying the show? Humans? Your world will soon be the property of the undeads. First, I used angry humans to help me build an army, but now I can take over the world. Don't worry, you will be part of my army too. See you in the afterlife. That didn't sound that great. What are we gonna do? What is going on? That's what I'm thinking. Look, the cops are back. Let's ask them for help. I don't think those cops are friendly. They have glowing red eyes and they're pitch black. Of course, that's not right. I'm not friendly. Look at my percentage. I'm gonna die. Even if I did, I could respawn, but I don't really use my rope.
I was worried, but I guess it's true. Now that it's up, it doesn't look
Oh no,
bad.
they have to try to get me my die. Okay, yep, they do.
So she likes it higher.
That's very sad. Oh no, they left! That's so sad. Okay, why can't you just take the regular way instead of the shortcut? Okay, fine, I'll just defeat these guys myself. I'm done. I'm gonna die. No! Okay, I died. I guess we have to respawn. Would you want to buy extra life? Of course I want to. Why am I clicking it if I don't want to? I mean, that doesn't really make sense, but I guess people Just die already. Just die. Okay, you died. The first time I hit you, hit Oof them. These are monsters. Gotta oof them. Okay, we gotta get out of here. I wonder what these vents are for. Oh, I almost died there. Well, I didn't almost die. I almost fell. That was horrible. Horrible. We got to find. I didn't get to read the rest. Look, there's vents. Try to see if we can get up there and find something. Like what? Find what? Maybe a secret passage. Yeah, we should be able to find a secret passage. Just where would we go? This way, maybe?
Yeah, I think until I have someone in that room, I'm going to keep the group.
Well, apparently we can't walk through or jump through. Well, it must mean that that's the direction we have to go through. We just gotta wait. Wait, where's that? You need to keep going without me. Oh no. The skeleton curse is affecting Dad. I'm so distracted. I didn't even realize that it was gone. We have to do something, but first, let's get out of this place. Right? Let's get out of this place. We gotta find an escaping area. I wonder where. What is this? Can we go down here? Apparently not. It looks like I'm late to the party. What? Who even are you? Because I sure don't know you. I don't care if other people know you, but I don't. I'm Poncho, ex-general of the Robloxian States. I heard from you in the news. Weren't you supposed to be dead? I've been trying to stop this strange creature for years, since the world depended on it. I had to fake my death. We're the only ones left. We have to find and destroy Skeletox before the bad energy consumes us. Yeah, I agree. We need to do this for our dad. Totally. Is it time to be a hero then? Follow me. I already know where to go. Because I already saw those things when I just got down here, and I'm like, well, why don't we go down those? Why not? Why not? Who's that? What if that's an affected person? Do not want to be next to me. Why am I even going up there? Oh, good thing there's an invisible line that's blocking us. That means we have to go, probably. That's sad. Poncho, you're so slow. That way. Be careful. This guy might be infected. That's what I was saying. Wait, why does he seem familiar? Now? Ronald? Hello, General. Remember me? No way. You were supposed to be dead. I guess we're both supposed to be dead. But here we are. You got a point there, Ronald. When my dark side attacked my presidential plane, we got shot in the face. That made my curse become weaker. Your curse become weaker. Okay. So the only way I can completely be free is by killing the Skeletox. I still don't trust you. You could be lying to us. What if he is? What if he's not? Who knows? You are not going to be part of this mission. Well, I'm still going to do it, General. Who's coming with me? There is no way my team is going with you. Well, I kind of just met you, General Poncho, but I've heard of you. But I know Ronald, so I think I'll go with Ronald. So I'm voting Ronald. Who do you want to follow? Ronald. Yep. We're going. We choose to go with Ronald. Good luck, soldiers. You're going to need it. Now you're going to need it because we're going with Ronald, and it's going to go all good. How about that? You just got to trust Ronald. Yeah, we trust you, Ronald, okay? We do. This place is the place where Skeletox hides. You guys hear that?
Yeah, but I mean, I still
They're coming for us. Okay, we gotta really rush. Let's just go with what? Oh, airplane, that's a good sign. This way? I'm already going this direction, so fine. Oh, airplane, this way. I almost went that way. I meant to go this way. Okay, we're going. Wait, let's try going that way. Yeah, okay, this way. That way. Airplane. I almost thought I was pointing the other way. We're going this way. Airplane, purple airplane. That's a good sign. That means we're really close, I think. Oh wait, this is yeah, we found it. It's Skeletox. Also, this is not good. Why are the eyes of the statue glowing? I really have no idea why they're glowing. But let's go. Ronald? Objective. Follow Ronald. Okay? It's following him. Are you Ronald? Yes. That's me. How are they, Doctor? Follow me, please. Okay. So we just need to follow Ronald. Okay, I'll just wait for Ronald. Is Ronald coming? I don't like the feeling of this. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm really sorry, kid. Your parents are not gonna make it. Yeah.
Well, I'm
The plane crash was too bad. I'll give you a minute to say you're back. I'm really sorry. That's very, very sad. Go, Ronald.
Did you see cheese or no cheese in the car?
Didn't even say. Yeah. You can't go.